Oh, yeah, hold up. Go back.
Wow. What's up, Work and Tips React?
I'm Steve.
I'm Jude.
And welcome back, guys, to a comeback.
ONEWE.
Whoa, this is called
Yes.
Rain to Be.
Rain to be.
It's got a sad meaning.
Sounds
Rain to be.
probably like tears
Yeah.
after something.
It's
An
meant to be,
incident.
or something like rain to be.
Oh, it was always meant to fail or something.
Or something like that. Yeah, but we'll get into the thing.
Well,
but-
we'll see. We'll see what the video's like.
Yeah, but before we get into the reaction, welcome everybody
welcome, guys.
to this exciting reaction video.
Yes,
If you would
come back.
like to watch our previous reactions to ONEWE, they're in a playlist here.
Yes, make sure to check them out. And if you enjoy them, give us a like, comment, and subscribe for
Right.
more ONEWE.
Here we go. Oh, I like that they're back to back.
Also, okay, Dongyung's gonna walk it to his piano later, I bet.
It's already like so sad because the sky is so gray.
It's overcast because it's gonna rain.
Yeah.
The color is like...
Oh, it's rain. Oh, it's flooding.
Their visuals.
Ooh! Oh, yeah, hold up. Go back.
Wow.
That was different, man.
This
That was
is
different.
good.
Go back. Go. Who feels this, in search of you, who feels this place eventually.
It's just a, yeah, sad.
A fateful. Okay. Is there instruments not gonna be broken?
I know, this is production.
Yeah.
Everything's wet. Even the amps and stuff like that.
Oh my
Kia.
god! Oh my god!
Yeah,
Visuals.
Go Kia.
Visuals.
This like
Aesthetics.
this wet when they're
Yeah.
wet. Ah,
The rain just suddenly fell.
yeah. That's production value. Oh my gosh.
Is this a one take? With loads of cameras around?
Oh my gosh, they filmed like this?
Oh my goodness me. It must be uncomfortable in the wet clothes, you know? Ooh! Mr. Vocal himself.
Ooh.
Now it's
dark.
It's flooding. I haven't realized that the water is already in their knees.
I know. So they've been playing instruments and it's just the water's slowly increasing.
Yeah.
They're drowning.
Oh my goodness me. They're gonna drown.
This looks so much fun though.
Yeah. Oh, okay, again.
Oh.
This is some sort of like waterproof instruments. Oh my god, they're gonna drown,
They're
bro.
drowning.
They can't even play anymore. Oh my god. Oh,
Go Yogun. Oh.
Go back.
What? Everything. Are
They're
they
really submerged into the water.
Are they like drowning in love or something?
Yeah.
The rain is like love. It just kills you. Go
My
Kanghyun. Go
goodness me,
Kanghyun.
what kind of production is this?
I know. Oh, look, what a flip.
That's it, they're drowned. You can't even play the drums anymore.
everything's underwater.
Oh, it's beautiful though. Aesthetics and underwater aesthetics. Whoa. Wow. Okay.
Oh.
They've drowned. Oh, okay.
Now it's back to black and white.
Oh, they got a boat here. Okay, it's like Noah's Ark.
Ah.
So they're gonna ride a boat when it floods. Something like that. I don't know.
But this looks like it's after the flood. Because the boat's like... Oh, maybe not.
I don't know, man.
Oh.
That's what I'm thinking.
Rain to be.
Rain to be.
That ending looks like there's a follow-up.
Yeah, maybe. Let us know, guys. Let us know about this special comeback. Rain to be.
Oh wow, that was...
Oh my god, ONEWE. Oh man.
Oh.
Let us know anything about this ONEWE comeback.
Yeah, who wrote this? Because I know...
He probably has a say in it.
Yeah, like Kang Hyun's written previously. I think Younghoon's written previously as well.
Yeah.
Let's not end the meaning.
The meaning, yeah.
The meaning.
Oh man,
You guys' interpretation of the song.
Yes. But yeah, anyway, we hope you enjoyed our reaction, guys.
Yeah, we certainly did.
Yes, and we hope you enjoyed this comeback from ONEWE. Yes.
Yes.
Woo.
Yeah, and if you guys did, give us a like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes.
Don't forget.
We're gonna end the video there. Thanks very much for watching, and we will see you guys
The next reaction video.
Peace out
And stay safe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.